Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. There are principles to regulate attachment and aversion pertaining to the senses and the array of objects. One should not come under the control of such attachment and aversion, because they are stumbling blocks on the path of self-realization. It is far better to discharge one's prescribed duties, even though faultily, than another's duties perfectly. Distraction in the course of performing one's own duty is better than engaging in another's duties, for to follow another's path is dangerous. Arjuna said, O descendant of Vrishni, by what is one impelled to sinful acts, even unwillingly, as if engaged by force? The Supreme Personality of Godhead said, it is lust only, Arjuna, which is born of contact with the material mode of passion, and later transformed into death, and which is the all-devouring sinful enemy of this world. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radharamana Madhusudanaya. As a fire is covered by smoke, as a mirror is covered by dust, or as the embryo is covered by the womb, the living entity is similarly covered by different degrees of this lust. Thus the wise living entities, pure consciousness becomes covered by his eternal enemy in the form of lust, which is never satisfied and which burns like fire. The senses the mind and the intelligence are the sitting places of this lust. Through them lust covers the real knowledge of the living entity and bewilders him. Therefore, O Arjuna, best of the Bharatas, in the very beginning, carve this great symbol of a sin by regulating the senses and slay this destroyer of knowledge and self-realization. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The working senses are superior to dull matter. Mind is higher than the senses. Intelligence is still higher than the mind. And he is even higher than the intelligence. Thus knowing oneself to be transcendental to the material senses, mind and intelligence, O mighty Arjuna, one should study the mind by deliberate spiritual intelligence, and thus by spiritual strength conquer this insatiable enemy known as lust. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The personality of Godhead, Lord Sri Krishna, said, I instructed this imperishable science of yoga to the sun god Vivasvana, and Vivasvana instructed it to Manu, the father of mankind, and Manu in turn instructed it to Ikshvaku. This supreme science was thus received through the chain of disciplic succession, and the centrally king understood it in that way. But in a course of time, the succession was broken, and therefore the science as it appears to be lost. That very ancient science of the relationship with the Supreme is today told by me to you, because you are my devotee, as well as my friend, and can therefore understand the transcendental mystery of this science. Arjuna said, the sun god Vivaswana is senior by birth to you. How am I to understand that in the beginning you instructed this science to him? Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya. The personality of Godhead said, many births both you and I have passed. I can remember all of them, but you cannot. O Subhadvira of the enemy, Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya. The personality of Godhead. Although I am unborn and my transcendental body never deteriorates, and although I am the Lord of all living entities, I still appear in every millennium in my original transcendental form. Shri Krishna Govinda Madhavaya, Shri Radha Ramana Madhusudanaya, 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 Shri Krishna Govinda